This model kit review is the Focke-Wulf FW-190 F-8. It is a 1/72 scale model by Revell, and there are the dimensions. And let's have a look here. Let's see, that's more about the, here's the nice pictures here of the finished model, and there are the colors needed. So let's have a look inside and see what sprues we have. So first of all, here looks like we've got our clear plastic, and now it looks like the molding's okay, not too bad. Let's look at our other sprues. Looks like we've got, here's another clear plastic one. It's a little odd to have two, but I wonder, I guess they're two different versions. We'll have to wait and see. Here is our fuselage and recessed detail here. Some quite nice detail. Here's the top of the nose, the top of the fuselage. We've got our wheel wells with some nice detail. There's our engine cowl also with some detail, and our spinner. There's the other side. There's a little bit inside here. No real detail here on the inside of the cockpit. Here's the detail for the cockpit, and that looks pretty good actually. Here's our seat, our propeller. We've got some wheels. And there are our elevators. Here are the wings, also with recessed detail, recessed panel lines, and some very nice wheel well detail there. Here's the top of the wing. Here's the other top wing, and we've got our instrument panel there, and looks like part of our engine, and maybe our landing gear. There's the main landing gear. Maybe there's a supports with retracts, and our instrument or control column there, and that's looks like partially formed tail wheel. It's a little interesting. Here we've got fuel tanks and bombs and pylons to hold them. Now over here we have our instructions, and let's look at our decals as well. Let's see if we can find the decals in here. Maybe they're in here. Here they are. And look at that, we've actually got some very nice detail there. Lots of decals, so that's quite impressive. And I like that this is a color picture here of the model. You can see the finished model there, and some of the details and what the instructions mean. And here are the colors needed. So more colors needed here. I guess there's a lot of mixing of different colors there. Okay, here's our parts listing. Really seems like a lot of wasted color ink here, but anyway, more parts listing there and there. These are sections I guess we're not going to be using. So we start off with our cockpit there, and we add the instrument panel. Then we put that in together in our fuselage, and don't forget to drill out the holes for the wings, depending I guess on what you're going to be building. Then your wings are mounted to each other and then to the fuselage, and then we've got the front of the nose of the fuselage. We've got our elevators. Some more details here. I guess these are the pylons. for fuel tanks or bombs, engine detail going in there, propeller and spinner, and then you can see the decals, lots of decals going on the wheels here, but that's our landing gear. And note the angle there. Then we've got our wheel well covers and our wheels going on, and that's if you want to have them up. And that's for the tail wheel, up or down. And then we've got all the little fuselage accessories there. That's our central bomb. And then we've got our canopy, open or closed. And I guess those are two different options there. They'll certainly look like they might be different. Yeah, maybe. Okay, here are the two options. It's the decal and paint guide, very nice in color, and as we said, lots of decal detail there, even for the small little model. Decals are quick and easy to make and print. It's just a wonder that more model companies don't put the detail in there. So all in all, that's actually a very nice model. Great level of detail with both the decals and the molding.